Hello my dear friends, I'm Irina Malik, and in this video we are going to learn how to make tatting double stitch and tatting ring, basic tatting elements. So at first I will take such thick rope to show you the process of making tatting double stitch and this huge tatting shuttle. So you may use your small variant of tatting shuttle, and let's start. First, I will wind my shuttle. So that's it. So leave about 30 or maybe 40 centimeters free of the thread, and let's start working. So there are two different kinds of hand position in tatting. First variant is classic, while you use your thumb and index finger as main fingers and make position such way. So take your thread with thumb and index finger and then make a circle around your hand and place the thread back. This is the classic tatting position. But I prefer second variant. Let me show you. Here we will use our thumb and middle finger as the main fingers. So I take our thread with thumb and middle finger and make circle around our index finger and other fingers like this. So let's make our first tatting double stitch. So thumb and middle finger, index finger, make a circle and back. Now we are making such movement. Let's repeat. Now our shuttle goes under this thread, forming a loop. Now we are pulling our shuttle back through this loop, like this. And now watch carefully, it's a very important moment. Now our knot is made from this thread, but we need to make it from this one. So now we are making such a movement. We're pulling our shuttle here, and at the same time we're relaxing our index finger a little bit. Continue pulling, relaxing our index finger, and watch what's happening. Our knot is flipping, and now when it's flipped, now we again strengthen our index finger and tighten the knot. Let's make it again. Under the thread, back through the loop, relaxing index finger, pulling the thread and tighten the stitch. This is half of tatting double stitch. Now we need to make the second part of tatting double stitch. Now we make such a movement, just placing our shuttle over this thread. Here we will get a loop. Now we need to pull our shuttle under this thread and back through the loop. Now the same movement. We are pulling our shuttle and at the same time relaxing our index finger and make some magic. Okay, so this is our tatting double stitch. Let's make the whole process again. One, going back, relax and tighten. Now over the rope, back, relaxing and tighten. Tatting double stitch. Now let's make the same process with the thinner thread, and I'll show you how to make tatting ring. So let's make tatting ring. So place your hands the same way and let's start tatting. First tatting double stitch. And now let's make several tatting double stitches. By the way, it's a very nice thread to practice. I'll show you. Alpina Lily knitting yarn. It's nice for practicing tatting double stitches and other basic elements, for example, rings and chains. Okay, so let's make 10 tatting double stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 10 tatting double stitches. If you make all tatting double stitches correctly, the thread will go inside these stitches easily. So you may tighten and loose this loop. To make tatting ring, just tighten this loop by pulling the thread that are going to the shuttle. That's all. Congratulations, you have already made your first tatting ring. See you soon, bye bye.